Again, in very short, we'll revise how to convert integer binary to decimal. I'll write here as convert following binary numbers to decimal number. First, we'll take example as 1101 base 2. Again, as I had told you, for our convenience, you write in this way. You write again 1101. You write here 2 raised to 0, here 2 raised to 1, here 2 raised to 2, here 2 raised to 3. Again, 1 into 2 raised to 0. Before that, what we have to write? The decimal equivalent of 1101 is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 0. 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. Okay? Is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Plus 0 into 2, 0. Plus 1 into 2 square, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Plus 1 into 2 cube, 1 into 2 cube is equal to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Is equal to 1 into 8 is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 0, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13. So I will write here as 13. But what was asked to convert? It was asked to convert 1101 base 2 to decimal equivalent. So I will write here as 1101 base 2 is equivalent to 13 base 10. So this is the final answer which we wanted. Now, this was the conversion from integer binary to decimal. Now, I will give you homework 2 examples. First example is 1000. So, base is 2. Convert this to x base 10. Find this x. It means that you have to convert this binary to decimal which has base 10. Again, second example I will give you to solve will be 1001 base 2 is equal to x base 10. Okay? So these 2 examples you will have to solve at home at your own. Now we will convert the fractional binary to integer. For that we will consider an example as below. First example will be 0.11 base 2 is equivalent to x base 10. Now we will have to find the value of x. Therefore, let us write x is equal to, what you have to do? For our convenience, what we should do? 0.11. I will write at the corner 0.11. Here I will write 2 raised to minus 1. Okay. Here I will write 2 raised to minus 2. What we are writing for integer? Here 2 raised to 0. Again 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4. But for fractional part you write here. For our convenience, this is the way of writing. Here 2 raised to minus 1 and 2 raised to minus 2. Now I will write x is equal to, multiply these two, 1 into 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to minus 1. Okay. Now plus add 1 into 2 raised to minus 2. Now this equal to 1 into 1 upon 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 1 upon 2 raised to 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 2 is 0.5 plus 1 upon 4 is 0.25 is equal to, I write here 0.5 as 0.50. Now 0 plus 5, it will be 5. Now 5 plus 2, it will be 7. Here point, again here 0. Okay. So x is equal to 0.75. I will write answer in this way. You just go on observing. Here I will write 0.11 base 2 is equal to 0.75 base 10. So this was the conversion of fractional binary number to what? Decimal number. We'll consider one more example. I will give you one example to solve now, and we'll see more examples in next lecture. For you to solve from fractional binary to decimal, I will give you as an example as homework. You solve this example 0.101. This is homework. 0.101 base 2 is equivalent to x base 10. Here you have to find x, value of x. Will stop for now. Thank you, children.